Hello guys, welcome to Fabric by Singhania. During this monsoon season, you must be looking for the perfect fabric. So we've got the perfect set of Georgette fabrics which are both lightweight and breathable and perfect for you and your kids. So in our first Georgette fabric here, we've got this really nice base color of peach shade which is perfect for any kind of dress customization. And across it, you can see this very beautiful floral work which is very unique and different because it gives a little bit of an aquatic vibe. And all over this digitally printed floral work, there are vibrant shades of flowers that have been put down, and the peach shade and the floral work put together gives a very cute and nice look. So if you want to create any nice dresses or flowy gowns as well, or if you want to create a nice summer dress, this kind of Georgette fabric would feel very soft and drape perfectly on your body. Now here we've selected a very nice and flowy, very lightweight white color Georgette fabric. All over this you can see these beautiful English roses that have been digitally printed in a nice shade of peach. So the white and peach color gives a very nice and elegant look, perfect to create that kurti or an anarkali which is very flowy and lightweight for yourself, be it for women's wear or for kids wear as well. If you want to create any frocks or any kind of tops as well with this kind of Georgette fabric and stand out, these fabrics would be the ideal one for it, and the white and the peach shade gives a very beautiful look. Now if you want to create any kind of western wear outfits, this Georgette fabric would be perfect for it. First off, we've got this very nice abstract digitally printed prints that has been done across this Georgette fabric. Again, being very lightweight and very minimal makes it look perfect to create that shirt that you want to make, or any kind of western outfits you have in mind. A co-ord set with a Georgette fabric, which could be a unique fabric to be used, would be really perfect because it is both lightweight and perfect for this monsoon season too, because it will dry very quickly. Now this fabric is one of the exclusive and the demanding fabric that you guys have been looking for. We've seen a lot of traction for this fabric, a lot of comments as well on this fabric over Instagram. So we've got this presented for you here in our shoot. So you can see that this dark green fabric in a Georgette fabric is perfect because of the very big floral work that has been done in nice vibrant shades, and it's in multicolor. So the dark green and the multicolor together puts well together and is perfect to create any kind of shirts, co-ord sets or a kurti as well. You can also create a beautiful sari with this kind of Georgette fabric for your casual wear or daily wear. Now another shade that we've selected here is again a dark shade in Georgette fabric. This one is a beautiful black color fabric in nice Georgette. Now again, the nice and unique thing about this fabric is all of the floral work which has been done is nice vibrant shades. All of these vibrant and bright shades look perfect in the contrast of black, of course, and this could be perfect to create that dress that you're looking for, or a kurta, or any kind of Indian or western wear can be created perfectly with this Georgette fabric. Because of the monsoon season and it drying up quickly, this Georgette fabric would be ideal because of the lightweight texture of it, very soft and non-sticky. In this next Georgette fabric that you see here, it's very soft, very delicate and perfectly draped on your body. If you want to create a gorgeous anarkali, this fabric would be ideal. If you take a look at it, we've got this really nice neutral brown shade of base color of this Georgette, and across it there is beautiful floral work that has been done in a nice water painting kind of thing in a digital print. So all of this can be customized into the perfect Indian wear or any kind of dresses you want to create, an airline kurta as well. These kind of fabrics would be perfectly customized, and we've got a great set of designers who can help you with it. Now here we've selected this very nice turquoise shade of Georgette fabric which looks very beautiful and delicate. If you take a look at this turquoise shade, it's very soft and subtle, giving it a nice pastel look, and because it's on Georgette, it's obviously very soft and it drapes perfectly on you. So if you want to create a nice kids wear dress or a frock too, or any kind of tops with this kind of Georgette fabric, it would look really nice, because if you take a look at the digital print, it's been done in nice floral and birds work which would look really good on your children, and it would look really nice to customize into a dress for yourself too. So all of these prints have been done in nice vibrant shades, and you can see all of the flowers and all of the birds in different textures that have been created across the fabric and beautifully digitally printed across this Georgette. Now in this delicate pastel shade, we've got a beautiful shade of light baby pink kind of fabric in Georgette. The base color itself is very beautiful and it gives a very elegant elegant look. As you can see, the work that has been done on it also gives a minimal effect. So if you take a look, you've got this very beautiful 3D printed kind of floral work which has been done in a way that it looks like it's been water painted across the fabric, making it look very unique. Again, since it's georgette, it's very soft on your skin and it's perfect during this season because it's quite lightweight and breathable too. So if you want to create a gorgeous dress for yourself, be it a long dress, short dress, or any kind of dresses for your kids, these kind of fabrics would really make them stand out and would look very good on you. Now here, this nice georgette fabric is in a bubblegum pink color, which makes it look very different and unique. And across it, the colors that have been digitally printed are a little bit more neutral and in shades of greens and blues. So if you take a look at the floral work that has been done across it, it's been done beautifully on this georgette fabric. Again, it looks very lightweight and is quite soft. So if you want to create a nice sari for yourself with this, or you want to create a beautiful dupatta to pair it off with a nice suit, these kind of fabrics would really look good, and you can contrast it with all the shades that you see on the base color. Now here I've selected this very nice pink shade of georgette fabric. This is our final fabric. All over this you can see these beautifully floral work that's been digitally printed. Again, this would be perfect for any kids wear outfit or for yourself too, if you want to create a modern look from this, or any kind of Indian wear, any casual wear as well. These kind of fabrics would look very nice. All of the work that you see across it have been done in nice contrast shades of pink shades, and the light pink that is there in the base makes it look very beautiful and feminine. So if you want to create a nice kurta too, this fabric would look really good. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like and comment for more details. You can also subscribe to our channel and other social media handles. If you want to know more about where you can customize these fabrics, you can visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1.